Hi, Cindy Guerin here from Leamington GM. It's September, and that means that we need to get your GM vehicle ready for autumn. Our team here at Leamington GM knows exactly what you need to do to make your vehicle road ready as the seasons change. Here are the 7 tips to help you prepare. Number 1, make sure your vehicle has all the winter essentials that you might need in an emergency. Have on hand gloves, a blanket, and a first aid kit. Other items that should remain in your vehicle year-round are ice scraper, jumper cables, and a flashlight with fresh batteries. Number 2, check those fluids. Make certain the oil, wiper fluid, brake fluid, and coolant are all topped off. The perfect time to do this is during your next oil change. Number 3, the lights and battery. These things are important items in your vehicle, but we often forget about them. If your vehicle is over 5 years old, your battery most likely needs replacing, or it'll tell you when. We have plenty of videos on our website showing you what to look for, but just watch for leaks and swelling. A bad battery in the winter is the worst and will give you nothing but trouble. Number 4, check your belts and hoses. This is a good time to check for any damages that may have happened over the summer. While you should check these regularly as long as you do so before going into the winter, and once again before going into the spring, you will be fine. Number 5, tires and brakes. These 2 items work together to make the ride smooth and safe. If one of them is off, the entire vehicle feels the pain. One thing you should remember to do is change them over to the winter tires. The best thing to do is watch the temperature. When the temperature is around freezing, this is a good time to swap them out. It doesn't matter about the snow as much as it does matter about the temperature. Number 6, heat. You won't want to be left out in the cold with a broken heater. Get your heater cranked up and see if there's anything wrong with it, such as funny smells, not enough heat, or any strange sounds. If there is, have us check it out. It might be as simple as needing to be aired out a bit. Lastly, number 7, all weather mats. These are great for keeping our floors clean. When you start tracking in a lot of snow, everything can get soggy and start to smell funny, and you don't want this. Also, the soggy, funny smell can cause serious rust damage to your vehicle, which can cause a lot of trouble later. These are the 7 tips for getting your vehicle ready for this autumn. If, as you prepare, you find something wrong, come down to Leamington GM and we'll look after you so you can have a trouble-free autumn and winter. Thanks again. See you soon. Bye-bye.